for the interviews, mashallah. And after the lockdown, after this pandemic situation, or many number of openings are there for you. Inshallah, you can grasp it. If you are working hard, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you a nice, good opportunity, inshallah ta'ala.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, ma'am.
Inshallah.
I mean,
So like we have through the interview process, okay, we have seen first round, that's a screening round, tell me about yourself. Then we have seen HR also, how it should be, HR round, how it could be, that also we have seen. And today, if suppose you have to go through the panel of interviewers, okay, a panel of interviewers are there in the interview, how to, in this situation, how to handle the interview. Today let us check it out for that. Okay, so you have gone, any one of you, about this panel of interviewer? Yes, anybody, you have gone through a panel of interviewers?
Means, ma'am, panel of interviews.
Means a number of in a panel. Panel means number of interviews will be there. 3-4 members, they will take interview. That is a
like
panel.
like together, like we usually see
In a
around
group.
the videos that like they like this IAS and IPS preparation. We see that there are a lot of like 3-4 member interviewers, and there is single candidate. So one by one, like an interviewer keeps on asking the question. That is what is the panel, no, ma'am?
Yeah, panel. Yeah, even for if you are going for a assistant professor or professor job, so
Yes,
the
ma'am.
department team, the
Yes, ma'am.
department team,
Department
panel of
uh, yeah,
team
panel of,
members.
yes, ma'am,
Okay,
definitely.
yes.
Head
So
of the
team
department
members,
along with the some
department,
senior.
yes,
Yes, SSC, something they call staff selection committee. They call
yes,
it something like this, ma'am.
yeah. So means a HOD with the subject related
Yeah, subject
professors.
matter expert. Yeah,
Yes,
subject
expert.
SME. They call
See,
it.
in if you are going for a experienced one, if you are a experienced candidate, so they will take a panel of interviewers, 3 to 4. Okay, 3 to 4 they will conduct. So if you are facing, okay, no problem. If you are facing one candidate, one person, you're in the interview, if you are facing one person, no problem, you can cope up. If you have 3 to 4 members in the panel, so how you are going to handle that? So today we'll check it out for this, because for experienced people, you may have to face this panel only. Okay, isn't it? In IT
Yes,
industry,
ma'am.
in
Yes,
IT
ma'am.
sector?
Yes, ma'am.
Hope so. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And here we have how to answer the tell me about yourself. Okay. So some two examples are here with me. Okay. So how you are going to face this? Okay. Suppose if you have a panel. Okay. When you are facing a panel of interviewers, make your best moves. Whether you are searching for jobs, looking for career avenues, or climbing the corporate ladder, you cannot escape team interviews these days. The problem is that such interviews don't have a pattern to them. They come in different forms. You could be facing your prospective team members, or you may be up against the top brass, HR vice president, the section head. Like in IT industry, panel means you will be you have to face with top brass like HR vice president, the section head, the operations chief. In IT industry, different operations are there. So means HODs, head of the departments. Okay, HOD department is HR. In IT industry, major and main, we have seen HR department. So who will be in the panel? HR vice president. Then the section head. Suppose different sections are there in the organization. So section head. Then the operation chief. Under section, you have different operations. Okay, so according to that, operation chief. Or you could also be sent to a recruitment assessment center for multi-parametric evaluation, like psychological tests for pressure handling abilities, team player skills, and so on. Okay, so this is for the experienced person who would like to apply for the highest post. For the freshers, for the BPOs, that is a different process. For if you are going for the team leader post, like that, you have to go through the panel of members. That is the this HR from HR department, then section, then the operation. They will evaluate before. So recruitment assessment, what it has, first is multi-parametric evaluation. They are going to test your psychological test, how you will handle the pressure, you have the pressure abilities or not, and you are going to play a major role in the team or not, what are the team skills you have. Okay, try this 10 tips for surviving and scoring in a team interview. Okay, now we have few tips for you for scoring or surviving in a team interview. Team interview is a panel interview. Okay, so give variety to your answers. How you have to cope up with the panel interview or this interview, this one team interview, you have to give variety of answers. Okay, give variety to your answers means you have to give the quality answers. Variety to your answers means you have to give a quality to your answers as you have experience. According to that, you have to answer because that experts are taking your interview. Remember, you might be interviewed by different panels. Don't give a stock answer to all of them. Means for all of them only, means you are giving stock answer means one answer for all. Try to give one by one, as they differently they will ask 4 members or 3 members. According to that, suppose HR people, they ask HR person, they will ask HR related question, then section head, they will ask section related question, then chief. So according to that, you have to give the answer. That is a variety answer. They will be comparing notes, repackage your skills so that they sound different. If you are showcasing project as your major achievement in your present job before one team, talk about project B before another interview panel. A technical team will tune into techie talk, and HR team would rather hear about your interpersonal skills. Just now I said, if HR people, they will take care of the, they will talk about, they want to hear from you about your interpersonal skills. They will check for your interpersonal skills, how you will convey the, how you will communicate with the person, different person, they will check it out for that. And the technical team, they will talk about the techie talk, about the related to your project. Okay, and next, then fine tune interpersonal skills. Okay, you have to be always take care of about your interpersonal skills. Fine tune means you should be tuned on. Okay, be tuned every time. You have to take care about your interpersonal skills. Pull out the stops on your group management and group presentation skills. Interviewers are people after all. Look for the personality type, underscoring each interviewer. Then try and connect with each one of them without getting personal. Usually, the best way to make contact is to project values that you feel you can share with your interviewers. Don't quake in your boots. Means within yourself, you don't say about the things, convey the things in proper way, communicate the things to each and every one in the panel. Interviewers are not augurs. They are looking for excuses to hire you, not spill your guts. Don't be obsequious that conveys low self-esteem. If you face your interviewers with fear in your eyes, they won't like what they see. Prepare for stress. You will be up against a time crunch in a team interview. In one-on-ones, the interviewer might be taking notes, allowing you little breathless. No such luck with your four people firing questions at you. Use stress, use stress control techniques to soothe your nerves. You might even use the extra adrenaline to sharpen your responses. Rehearsal well, put together three family members or friends with diverse personality traits. Recreate the formality of a team interview situation and ask them to fire non-stop questions at you. That will serve as a useful practice session. Ask for serious feedback, especially about weak areas in your answers. And questions about qualifications and work experience are usually generic. So what your mock team asks you is bound to be pretty close to the real stuff. Create a mental picture of yourself. Boost your self confidence by seeing yourself as star performer who's a cut above. See yourself answering with elan the questions you expect. Then replay your answers and ask yourself these questions. How interesting were your observations? Did most of your responses begin the same way? Did you use we often suggesting team player attributes? Are there traces of humor in your responses? Okay, and this is about the tell me about yourself. You have to, we have already practiced it. This is the another example of tell me about yourself. Like this, it is about you have to say about from where you are and your qualification with percentage, because you have to do the marketing of yourself. Okay, so you have to say your most important strong points if you are getting the opportunity to tell about yourself. Then you, if you have done your schooling from good school, you have to say about focus on that also. Schooling also focus that. And about your family, you have to say as a fresher you can say it about your family. Then your hobbies, then your object strengths and goals. And lastly, you have to quote with your that you have given. That's all about myself. My quote is life is all about grabbing the opportunity. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to introduce me. So conclusion should be there. It's very nice if you are giving a conclusion that you got the opportunity to introduce yourself, means you are marketing yourself about your qualification, achievements, your experience, and you are sharing your strength and weaknesses so that the other person will understand how strong you are and your goal. What is your how you will feel about your life, what you want to achieve in your life, that you are conveying, okay, to the person, because he want to recruit you in their organization. So he want to know more about yourself, so that according to that he will recruit you about what is your thinking, how you will feel about the work, that thing. These are the most important things they want to know about you before recruiting. So this is about the uh, if you get a panel of interviewers, how you have to face with the number of questions from three different people. Okay, so once we'll go through this, we'll read out one by one so that you will come across, it will strike, if you read it will strike in your mind. If you come across this type of interview, you can cope up with that. Okay, please start.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, please.
From the first line, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. When you are facing a panel of interviewers, make your best moves. Whether you are searching for a job, looking for career avenues, or climbing the corporate ladder, you can't escape team interviews these days. The problem is that such interviews don't have a pattern to them. They come in different forms. You could be facing your prospective team members, or you could be up against the top brass, HR vice president, section head, operations chief, or you could also be sent to a recruitment assessment center for multi-parametric evaluation, psychological test for pressure handling abilities, player skills, and so on. Try these 10 tips for surviving and scoring in a team interview. Give
Okay,
variety to
please,
your
sorry for
answers.
the interruption. We will discuss
Yes,
in
ma'am.
this para only. Okay, any points you want to discuss? Like any questions you have, anybody? Like this is the new thing we have come across, a panel of interviewers. So how they will conduct the interview. Just discuss it. If you have any doubt, anybody?
Yes, ma'am. You usually in real time, like, ma'am, if we look at an example, like
Okay.
in a panel, we'll be having a HR team, HR expert, and as well as like operational. For example, we want to go in some development side, for example, development team lead,
Yeah.
and some sort of psychological assessment expert, wherein
Yeah.
like the 3-4
No, no,
experts in
psychological expert. No,
like
they have the
yes,
system.
ma'am, assessment
We
system
have
also
to
they
go
have.
through that. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Along with their questions, they'll try to judge, ma'am, like how the way we are reacting to their questions. Are we getting nervous, or when the questions are being shooted at us, how the our body language and our response rate and our confidence level. So these are certain parameters that they'll be they'll be giving the metrics to us. So usually, ma'am, it will be like one by one they'll go on asking, and
Yeah.
it depends on the flow. Like they will like say you can start first or he can start first. So in that way it goes usually, ma'am.
Yeah. Mr.
So
Muzammil is
basically,
here. Yeah. He got, sorry for the interruption. Mr. Muzammil is here. He got, you have gone through any interview you have shared, you got a call.
Yes, I am good at site, but this is for experience. This is job. This job for experience.
You have experience, no? Few months
No,
experience.
no. In that field, madam.
Okay, okay. That is a
That
technical support.
yes, I have no experience in that field.
No
That's
problem.
why
Technical support, not like that. You should have experience in that. They will provide experience or training, no, for that.
yes, but for that position, for the in that company, we they are hiring only for experience.
Okay, okay. 4 years of experience. I've seen that.
No,
No, they
1 year
have mentioned one to
minimum.
4 years.
Yes, 4 years they have written. Yes.
Mini-
1 year
minimum
minimum.
1 year, ma'am. Minimum
Minimum.
1 year. If it is, then they will have.
Mhm. So if you
Minimum
want,
actually minimum 6 month. They said minimum 6 months is acceptable.
mhm. Okay. Mhm. Okay. We'll continue. Yes, we have come across this panel of interviewers. Okay. So where you may face, if you have experience, you may face this type of interview. Okay. So continue, sir, please.
yes, ma'am. Um, try these 10 tips for surviving and scoring in a team interview. Give variety to your answers. Remember, you might be interviewed by different panels. Don't give a stock answer to all of them. They'll compare, they'll be comparing notes, repacking your skills so that they sound different. If you are showcasing the project X as your major achievement in your present job before one team, talk about project B before another interview panel. A technical team will tune into techie talk, and an HR team would rather hear about your interpersonal skills.
Okay. Here you want to say anything, anybody, any query you have, you want to discuss more
Yeah.
thing about this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. These lines
Yeah.
definitely say that depending upon the various members from the different departments, they'll be
Yeah.
asking the questions related to their domain, like their area of specialization. Basically, we can talk into that. So this actually says like there is no perfect pattern, but if usually if we go across, like there are a lot of ma'am, like sample videos you can get on YouTube, like sample panel interviews for technical support or panel interviews. So there will be a demo interview kind of thing, wherein like at least we will come to know like how will be an environment over there, and like what are usually the type of questions, and how the things will go, and the way you have to respond to it. Like it will be really helpful, ma'am, if we
Yeah.
actually go through.
Yeah. So as an
Like
experience,
once, ma'am, I was into this this associate, like I worked almost for 3.5 or 4 months. Then I got an opportunity and I left for Gulf. So there, ma'am, they especially they say like our trainer there, in that company where I was working, we were actually working for an Australian ISP, internet service
okay,
provider.
okay,
So actually our job was basically like the customers would be calling us for their data related internet issues. It was like data over telephone line.
okay,
So like they were having all the tools to resolve, like we have to take the query and everything. So they were saying that how you have to respond to the customers if you get an irritated customer, like various things. So
yeah,
they
yeah,
said that you have a number of resources, like you like we cannot say you everything in you have to do the research, like we will say you such
yeah, yeah.
scenarios, you have to like go through like on YouTube,
You will
and
come
you have
across
to.
with
Yes.
the
Yeah,
situation and
we'll
you
only
get the
we'll only give you
solutions.
the patterns, like these are the
Yeah.
patterns, and for these patterns how to react, how to make sure that you're at the end of the day you provide the quality of service. So for that you have to make yourself, you have to do the practice, and you have to do make yourself up to that level. So that was actually the thing. So in that way they were saying that there are a lot of customers, we will not be knowing them, we will unable to understand what they are saying. So how we have to respond to them, like was actually the thing.
So in IT industry, they have teaching manners and how to handle the situation depending on the customers to customer. So psychological test will be given for the
Here also it's like, ma'am, we'll be assigned some project according to the client requirement. If we look at, so like there are certain things we have to like explain to the client, we have to negotiate, or whatever client requirement is there, if we are unable to meet the deadlines. So there'll be a lot of issues, how you need to present yourself in front of your team as well as your client, so as to convince him like this task will be completed in this time, and like it will be optimized in such ways. So it's actually that. So here also, ma'am, your like your behavioral skills and your like critical thinking, your problem solving, and
yeah,
your convincing skills are will be very essential. Even like it's usually what people think is, ma'am, usually these skills are usually useful in technical support or voice
no,
and non-voice process. But it's like in almost all the domains wherein you will be assigned some role for the client, and you'll be having your roles and responsibilities, and you are answerable to it at the end of the day.
yeah,
So sometimes if there's anything in between, the work will come and your workflow will get slow. So you are answerable to somebody. So it's like
yeah,
every time you are under some sort of surveillance,
yeah,
like handling
right.
of pressure. So you should be in a position to justify it, simply like by becoming an expert in a tool or in a platform. We have to have the managing skills, that's also very much important.
It reflects whatever the employee is doing. It is doing for that
Yes,
organization.
ma'am.
So it reflects the
Yes,
organization. So
yes, ma'am.
you are the part of the organization. So whatever the impact, whatever the results from your client you will get, it will reflect on the organization. So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to take care. For that they will train
Yes,
you
ma'am.
for the everything, your interpersonal skills and your how you will manage the person to person. You have to manage the customer, clients, like that. So here also it's saying that if you have a different people ask you about your project. So don't say the same project to different people. Say the different projects to different people, so that you have done this many achievements. Okay, so on this spot they will not give you the result. After discussing, okay, these three people, they will discuss and they will finalize you, they will shortlisted you, they shortlist you. So they will discuss how the person is, how the candidate is technically. They will check technical team, they will talk about the techie talk, about the technical, about suppose you have you have worked your project on Java. How well versed you are in Java, this technical team will ask you. Simple question they will ask you. Really you have done you have worked on Java, you are able to answer them. They will judge, they will evaluate that. And second, HR people, they will check it out for the interpersonal skills, HR team. So you have to present the different projects to different people. So in this way they will judge you. You will get the good results if you say the answers in variety, isn't it? Isn't it? So you have to
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
in
Yes, ma'am.
variety, so that you are giving your whatever skills you have, you are exploring there. Then fine tune, who will read this next? Anybody, please. Fine tune
Yeah,
interpersonal skills.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine tune interpersonal skills. Pull out the once again. Pull out the stop on your group management and group presentation skills. Interviewer are people after all. Look for the personality type underscoring each interviewer. Then try and connect with each one of them without getting personal. Usually, the best way to make contact is to project values that you feel you can share with your interviewers. Don't quake in your boots. Interviewers are not ugs. They are looking for excuse to hire you, not spell your guts. Don't be obsequious. That conveys low self-esteem. If you face your interviewers with fear in your eyes, they won't like what they see. Prepare for stress. You will be up against a time crunch in a team interview. In one-on-ones, the interviewer might be taking notes, allowing you little breaths. No such luck with four people firing questions at you. Use stress control techniques to soothe your nerves. You might even use the extra adrenaline to sharpen your responses.
Yes. Any discussion, any query you want to discuss? Fine tune interpersonal skills. You have to be tuned with your interpersonal skills. How? If they will this panel of interviews, they will come up with number of questions. So how you will manage? So you have to be in tune of interpersonal skills. Okay. So control your nerves, stress, everything. So and how you are going to pull out the stops on your group management and group presentation skills. So how you will manage the group of questions that you are getting it. So how you will manage, you have to uh, take that, pull out the stops on your group management and group presentation skills. Interviewers are people after all. Look for the personality type, underscoring each interviewer. Any point you want to discuss here?
Yeah, ma'am. Here, it's written that interviewers are not augurs. Like, this is like, ma'am, like fictitious monsters, like people eating monsters. So we should not. It's like it comes with that meaning. So
Yeah.
like we should not
Feel
like they
that
are
they
there.
are,
Yes, ma'am. We should not feel that they are somebody who will never accept us, or with a wrong perspective we should not carry it up by, like, they are here, they'll simply reject us, or they'll simply like they are just that kind of thing, carrying
no,
something in that mind.
Yeah,
pre
no, no. If you
prerequisite.
feel that they are there for you
Yes.
to test your skills, whatever
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have. So now you got the opportunity to explore your skills, whatever they have. They ask you whatever you have in you, knowledge, that explore it in a very good manner. No one is perfect in the world, isn't it? This knowledge, this we can say that uh, like education or knowledge is like an ocean. We know a drop or a bucket of that. Whatever we have, we know how much we know, just present it in a good manner. So they will check it out for that only. It depends on the work, how you will, once you get the work assigned, how you will manage the work, they will check.
And these QS in the second sentence,
Yeah,
it's
don't be
ma'am,
obs.
like, yes, don't be obsequious. Yes, making an effort to please the people, like we are making an effort to convince. Some people will be having a habit, web, like in our saying we say, they try to exaggerate, or they try to just like uh, uh, give the highness that it's great, sir, you are great, you are doing a great job, like this. They'll go on,
Don't say that. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Means low self-esteem, means self-degradation, your inferiority complex. Don't be in inferiority complex, always be superiority complex you should have. Okay, whatever you have the knowledge, just explore it and explain it in the best and uh, better way. So that conveys low self esteem, means you are in the, if you are saying don't be obsequious, means you should not have this attitude of that you are great, I am not. This one, this like this you want to say.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The similar
Yes.
thing, like, you are superior, and we are not superior up to your level. Like, we should not carry such a
Yeah, attitude.
perspective in the mind.
Yes.
Ma'am, it means confidence, and we should be confident. We should not feel low. We should not
Yeah.
show others to we are low.
And last, no such luck with four people firing questions at you. They will fire you with questions. So use stress control techniques to soothe your nerves. So like if you feel like even you have at the school level, if you want to go on the stage, you feel like your heartbeat and nervousness, you feel like that. So if you feel that you are perfect, I have whatever I know, I can convey in best manner, you won't get this type of feeling nervousness, isn't it? I am correct.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. It's true, ma'am. Ma'am, like, it's my first-hand experience, ma'am. Up to my +2, I was a very shy student, ma'am. Even I I don't used to ask the doubts, ma'am. Like,
Yes. Mm.
but after coming into engineering, like
Right.
when I took the admission in engineering, like our teachers in engineering, I still remember them, mashallah. So,
Mhm.
like, they were always very, like, they were always trying to here you are there to learn, you are there to explore. At the end of the day, you have to go and present yourself. So in that, in engineering, all my skills have developed, and after the completion of engineering, I was into academics. So it's like, in these 4 years, my personality got changed completely, ma'am. I was
Yes.
a student who doesn't used to ask the questions, and I becoming a faculty was really a massive change in me.
Yes, that's why engineering is a professional degree. Okay, right now we have two professional degrees, that is engineering, then the medicine. So if you are professional, okay, professional means professionalism. You will get 4 years. You're going through and tough subjects, and
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have the internship also, projects you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever you are learning, you have to implement it. That is a real learning.
Yes, ma'am.
And while teaching only, you will learn more,
Yes, ma'am.
more and more.
Yes, ma'am. Teaching always, it's like the teaching is second time learning. Like
Yes,
we
second
will
time
become,
learning.
yes, okay, and we will get more perfect
Not
in the
second time
subject.
learning, you will
Yeah.
understand better.
Yes, ma'am. And understand better. Like we'll come to know the in depth of the
Yes.
subject when we actually teach, when we go through the teaching.
So
It's
why we
actually,
are saying practice, practice, practice? In teaching, we'll do. We'll
Yes,
same
ma'am.
ma'am.
thing. We'll say to different people. So we have practiced a lot that we got the command over that. That's why we don't have any hesitation, any nervousness.
Yeah, ma'am. In teaching, our mind will be goes in different ways and think in different ways, ma'am. The solution comes, ma'am.
Yeah, solution comes. And in IT industry, you are implementing whatever you have learned. You have to use some tools, okay, some applications. Using that, you are implementing the things, and you are finding that it is whatever you have learned, whatever the knowledge you have now in a different manner, you will get. So you will feel happy that whatever the knowledge you have implemented, and you got some result. You have some product on that. Okay, projects means you are doing means what you are creating a huge project, big project, so that many users are using that, isn't it? In IT
yes,
industries,
yes, ma'am.
they develop
Yeah,
the
yeah. But yeah,
projects.
ma'am, project is actually the implementing what you have learned in some innovative way,
Yeah,
in some new way, in some out of box way. So project is actually implementing your knowledge and skills to develop something that
yeah.
is useful to the, and that can make
And
the work more
users.
automated, simple, or it's something like that. So project actually demonstrates what you have actually learned.
Yeah. So MS Office, can you say what is MS Office?
It's an application, ma'am. Microsoft Office
Application program. It is an
program. Yes.
application program. Okay. And this application program is used by number of end users. So who has developed this? Microsoft company, they have developed long back, but they are coming up with the new versions. So like this we can create, okay, this IT industry, this is very
Yes,
open to
ma'am.
all,
Yes, ma'am.
transparent. You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
create anything. Even nowadays 10th class students, and they are coming up, because on the web you have everything. You have to grasp and develop your own things, but you should have that knowledge about that. Editors you have, okay, IDs you have, application program you have. Next you want to okay, next rehearsal well, put together. How you are going to rehearsal? Check it out this, any one of you.
Yes, ma'am. Rehearsals well. Put together three family members or friends with diverse personality traits. Like I have to read, ma'am. You said to
Yes, yeah,
read.
read whole thing, you read,
Okay.
then we'll
Okay.
discuss.
Okay. Recreate the formality of a team interview situation and ask them to fire non-stop questions at you. That will serve as a useful practice section. Ask for serious feedback, especially about weak areas in your answers. Questions about qualification and work experience are usually generic. So, what you mock team ask you is bound to be pretty close to the real stuff.
Okay, can we do it? I am planning for this. What you have to do, rehearsal well. Okay, rehearse well. Put together three family members or friends with diverse personality traits. Recreate the formality of a team. Will do this. Okay, practice, practice, practice. How you will? We will. You have to come up with the non-stop questions. Okay, so
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you say in like this Friday, Thursday, I will give you, tomorrow is Thursday. Okay, Friday. Okay, Monday we will do this mock test, mock
Yes, ma'am.
interview.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely will do.
Okay,
Yes.
inshallah. So
Yes, ma'am.
first I will prepare some questions and I will
Yes.
share in the group.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will come up with the non-stop questions at you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and how you will cope up. And after I will take half an hour. Okay, questions I will ask half an hour. The next half an hour, what we will do, we will discuss. You should find yourself where you are lacking behind.
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
discuss that. Okay.
Ma'am.
So we won't we will talk on solution. We will not talk on the question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How you will? We will
Yes, ma'am.
talk about on
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
solution.
How we can come up with that weakness? We will talk on that, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
inshallah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we'll come up questions. I will prepare, share in the. I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
share in the group. Prepare well, practice,
Yes, ma'am.
and you have to. The hesitation of that mock test will conduct. Okay, inshallah.
Yes, ma'am.
I will
Definitely.
share the questions. Okay, like related to tell me about yourself. Then any HR interview, HR question I will ask you. Three. Okay, four questions. Okay, done. Four
Yeah,
enough.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Four questions I will share. So be prepared for that. Okay. Next is how you are going to prepare yourself. Mentally, you have to prepare yourself. Please, any one of you read this. Anyone, please read this.
Ma'am, in the previous slide, we like in the previous slide, the last line, like it says questions about your qualifications and work experience are
Yeah.
usually generic. So
Yes.
what does that means, ma'am? Generic means
general. Okay.
general.
You have
Okay.
to, yes, general qualification. No. You
Yes.
have to start yourself your qualification and your work experience.
Okay.
That is a usually
So
generic. Yes, general.
so the interviews will usually focus on more of the real time stuff that it
Yeah.
actually says, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to achievement, project, experience.
Yes, ma'am.
Qualification, then your experience, then achievements, then projects. Experience means what are the projects you have experienced till now. You have to discuss. If you have experience, you have worked on 3 to 4 projects, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am.
So you don't have any, like anybody, you don't have as a developer or software developer experience development, like you have not worked in software development, like you are familiar with nowadays like AWS. Okay. So
Yes,
do
ma'am.
you have anybody have idea about cloud computing, AWS?
Like, ma'am,
No idea,
we
ma'am. No idea.
le-
But
le-
we
le-
have in this course content at the last topic, we have AWS cloud computing.
Yeah, cloud computing actually means cloud means on the web. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
on
It's
the web, like
actually
nowadays we are sharing the Google. Okay, Google Google
yes,
Cloud
ma'am.
and Amazon Web Services.
Web
These two,
services. Likewise for Microsoft, we have Microsoft Azure.
yes,
Uh,
Microsoft
the the
Azure
same way.
also works, but AWS in demand.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these
AWS
developers,
is a cloud of Amazon Web Services. Likewise, we have a Google Cloud and
yes,
Microsoft Azure.
yes, yeah,
The
three
three
things, three
leaders.
things.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
of the
So what
cloud.
is the use of these three things? First is you said AWS. Okay, that is the Amazon Web Services. Okay, means it using, if you are using this, no need of keeping your data, project, any office work, anything. You are always you are keeping on Amazon Web Services. You have to take the uh, space on the
Yes, ma'am.
web server of that.
Yes,
Okay, so means you are free from the devices.
yes, ma'am.
Wherever you are accessing that web. Okay, web server, Amazon Web Server, and you are doing your work and project, and you are deploying that. So this is the advantage of AWS. So in this server means Amazon is maintaining, providing the, it is a web server. So web server, it has an administrator. So number of responsibilities it has. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will get a number of job opportunities. Okay, how to handle the web server and what are the protocol they are using and how to open. So on the web, everyone is using that. So each and every company and the whoever is deploying the project, he has to open an account like Gmail account.
Yes, ma'am.
So this you should know how to open. So the web server administrator, he should take care. So number of jobs are there in this. Okay, next is Google Cloud. On Google Cloud, doc files you are creating, you can create your presentation also. You're keeping on Google, isn't it? Your presentation.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, all of us, if we have a Gmail account, all
Yeah,
of us are using that Google Drive, ma'am. I think
yeah,
we all
Google
know
Drive.
about that. So
Right,
as soon as we prepare a Google account, it will be it will integrate a Google Drive for us as well. So it will be having a 15 GB memory
yeah,
space wherein you can store. It's like a 15
yeah,
GB virtual pen drive with you always, like a USB.
yeah,
Wherever you
yeah,
go, you
yeah,
don't need a USB now. You can insert in your drive and you can access from anywhere. Like
yes,
you need your credentials. That's it. After your credentials, you have a
yeah,
15 GB space. Likewise, I suppose, ma'am, like even in Microsoft, like Outlook.com, even in other like email
yeah,
platforms as well, we will get this. It has a Dropbox. Likewise, in Yahoo, we have a Dropbox. Likewise, we have
yeah, yeah.
something in even in Outlook.
Even students are using that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Students are using online classes based on that only.
Yes, ma'am. Going,
They were
they will
classes,
insert
they
like
have
these days.
classes also.
Yes, ma'am. They'll insert all the content in the Google Drive and then they'll give an
Yes,
access to them. A lot of assessments and
yes,
everything. It's been put on Google Drive.
yes,
They'll give a link and then
yes,
you have to like all the content, the material they are putting on a Google Drive and they are giving you the Google Drive link.
yeah. So this is the new era of no physical thing, everything on web. No physical thing presence, everything on web, no need of carrying anything. So that's why I'm taking saying that keep your everything on web, everything, your documents, everything, wherever you are, just access it and show it, because everyone is carrying smartphone.
Yes, ma'am.
So how you will maintain the your mental, mentally you have to prepare yourself. How you are going to prepare yourself mentally? If you are mentally prepared, you can go through anything. So just read one of you this one.
Yes.
Any?
Create a mental picture of yours.
Yes.
Boost yourself confident by seeing yourself as star performer.
Yes.
Boost yourself confident by seeing yourself as star performer who's a cut above. See yourself answering when the question you expect. Then replay your answer and ask yourself these questions. How interesting were your observations here? Did most of your response begin the same way? Did Are there traces of humor?
Did you see we often? Did you use we often suggesting team player attributes? Are there traces of humor in your responses? Like we should say, we should not say any one person will not do anything. So we try to talk about in we only. I know, don't use I, use only we. We means it represent you have the attribute of team player. You don't give credit to yourself, you have to give credit to your team. This type of attitude you should have. Okay.
Okay.
So we means you should have the attitude of saying you have done this work because of we are, not me, not I. Okay, I have done this, we have done this. So you should have the this mindset of we. Then are there traces of humor in your responses? Don't go on what humors, okay? Don't respond to the humors, okay? Until and unless you won't see with your eyes and anything, you like in an organization, in a team, that person he has said like that, like that. So don't believe in the on the humors. Don't respond to that humors. And did most of your responses begin the same way? Okay, you should have the responses in the one way, not in the different ways. If you are polite, one day polite and other day you are not polite, this is not the way. Okay, so did most of your responses begin the same way? How interesting were your observations? So whatever the observations, whatever the work you are doing, that you should have some interesting part in that. Okay, so this type of mental picture of yourself you should have. You can go through it any work or any interview, anything. If you have this type of attributes or attitude. Anyone you want to share in this? Create a mental picture of yourself. Any more points you want to add in this? Yes, anybody you want to add any more points?
Like ma'am, preparation, if we are doing good preparation, then these points will match for us, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
If we are not doing preparation, means
Yes.
like some tension will be there, I'll not select, like that
And
things will
it's
come
a
in mind. Yeah.
this thing, it's a boost for preparation. If you are not
Yes.
boosting yourself, you won't prepare, isn't it?
Yes.
We will not prepare, then why do we know more about this? We should have this attitude. If we'll get a spirit, if we go through this type of presentations, we'll get the spirit of doing. So inshallah one day we'll do it. We'll do work hard, because see how the people are growing and placing where they are. We are here only. How they are developing. Elon Musk, I have said one example, and this Bill Clinton, and we have seen CSR also, no? CSR. Anyone want to speak on CSR?
Yes, ma'am. That corporate social responsibility, ma'am, that
Yes.
we have discussed in the last class. So,
Yeah.
like we have seen, ma'am, like usually during the orientation, like the companies do say we have our values, we respect diversity, and we are firm, committed, and firm for the social development, and we are firm and committed for a healthy and environment around. So we continually have a development center, incubation center, like kind of stuff they say,
Mhm.
wherein we encourage our employees to come up with an idea, some sort of social responsibility initiatives that we can
Yeah.
take up, wherein we can uh, go with the knowledge sharing source, and we can uh, like we can present ourselves as one of the leaders who are doing the initiatives for social development, for to eradicate the social issues and problems. So can we come up with any solution like this, like these days? So it will be like
Yeah. We
they'll also be
involve
they'll always try to, like, ma'am, come up with a social responsibility wherein they could use their knowledge and skills, like not a conventional way, like they'll try to deliver their social responsibility
yes.
you using their skills, like they'll come up with some of the good initiatives, some innovative idea they'll try to inculcate.
So who like employees, like which group of employees they will involve in this CSR program? The whole employees or selected employees they will involve in the group in this program?
Like ma'am, they usually encourage everybody to come up with this, but usually some of the employees who are like some sort of group leaders or team leads or trainers or some senior professionals
Yeah,
will
yeah.
usually contribute to this. Ma'am, they'll always say that even some associates or some like newcomers can also come up.
Yeah, yeah.
They'll always say, like, if you have some ideas, some initiatives, you can always share with us, and we'll try to think how much it is practical, how much it is approachable, and how we can
So
work on it.
they will do month wise or daily wise or weekly wise contribution towards this program.
Like ma'am, they'll be having their a sort of a review for, like, we have seen, no ma'am, they will be having minutes of meeting
Yeah,
wherein they'll discuss on various project issues and everything. So in in their agenda, they'll be having this as well,
yeah.
like
Yeah.
what CSR responsibility our team is doing. Like, we are like a development team, software development team. So from our software development team, what is a CSR responsibility that we are handling, or if that company is handling that any sort of CSR responsibility, so what is our role in that? Are we working on that role, or have we initiated, or have we made the teams what we are working on that? So they'll be having an assessment like this, ma'am. Like, they'll be taking, so somebody will be taking responsibility, and day to day they'll be asking for that as well. Like, at least weekly they'll be going how much work has been done on this, and how much has to be done,
Mhm.
and how much it can, how it can be done. So they'll be discussing in such a way.
Okay. And here group discussion we have done in this on this topic: mobile phones or internet, a boon or nonsense. So we have will conduct this. I will come up with more topics. If you have any idea to, so that we can have a group discussion on particular topics, just share your topics. So will tomorrow we'll do that.
Group discussion on online classes.
Online classes.
Yeah.
Okay. So prepare well.
Advantages and
Tomorrow I will conduct.
Okay.
Okay. So all of you be prepared for online classes group discussion. And follow the rules of group discussion. Okay. It should have for and against. Okay. Both.
Yeah, ma'am. It do's and don'ts.
Yes. Okay. All the best. I will end this meeting. Okay. Inshallah, tomorrow we will meet with the group discussion.
Yes, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakallah khair, ma'am. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakallah. Allah.